Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the screen of my phone. If you're new to this channel, please do it subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. We love you. So, in this video, this is a particular video with another dimension. So I know that you guys love videos about how you can make money chatting and all of that. And I've gotten because I basically have a lot of women, a lot of mothers, a lot of beautiful ladies up here, and they're looking for how to make money online. The goal of this particular channel is just to change your financial income, your financial level, just to change it. Now sometimes it doesn't matter the means as long as it is not ritual or any other evil form. You understand? Please let me tell you this particular gist. I know that you guys want to go straight to the point, but please be inspired, because I see on TikTok where people say, "Oh, I met this Oyinbo man, I met this Oyinbo lady that changed my life," and all of that. And you are wondering, hey, where are they meeting them? How are they meeting them? You understand? Sometimes you necessarily do not have to date an Oyinbo man. You really have to date an Oyinbo man. All you just need to do is to give them the companionship, like a friendship. And then you will be amazed at how they are willing and ready to help you, because Oyinbo people are just basically emotional. Yes, and some of them just need someone to talk to, and that is where you and I come in. That is where you and I come in. Someone that you're chatting with, that you're talking to, definitely sometimes person will ask you, "How are you doing?" And if you say, please, I'm fine, but then again, I need to take care of some bills, the person will feel like, okay, let me send this girl a few dollars to see how she can, sort herself out. Now, please do not come for me. Do not come for me, because this website is a chatting website where you chat with men. Now, ladies, please know that on this website, you will be the first to make your move. Like, you'll be the first to swipe on this website and look for guys. You understand? If you're a guy as well, you can make the move, but majorly, ladies are the one turning this particular website up and down. Now, this particular website is called Bumble. You will often wonder, where are these people on TikTok seeing all these Oyinbo men and all these Oyinbo women, like the one you're seeing on the screen right now. You'll be wondering where they are meeting them. How are they meeting them? How is this happening? You just be wondering. Now, this is one of their major websites where they come to meet, people that will help them, their destiny helper, for friendship, for whatever. You understand? On this Bumble too, I think you can play some games. You can buy someone something and hear of that. Now, if you are not even here to chat and make money, you can come to where it says careers. There are a lot of careers on Bumble. I don't know if we have some that are currently available. Our mission is to create a world where all relationships are healthy and equitable. Can you see? Can you see? They help you. They attach you. You understand? They attach you. It is, see, sometimes this matchmaking is also a business and ways for you to make money. You understand? So that is why I'm bringing this in, because some of us need someone that can, okay, say, take this particular money. Let me just give you this. Let me help you out with something. So you understand. Now, this website helps black people basically. Yes, there are white people here. White people are their major base, but black people, it helps black people to meet white people that chat with them, keep them company, and all of that. Now, what they do at Bumble, we are always working to create a culture created in kindness, honesty, inclusivity, accountability, and growth. Now, please set a long term goal. If you are chatting on this website for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and someone is not even sending you money, and someone is not even helping you yet, take a break, relax, be calm, come back again, re-strategize. You understand? Take a break, relax, come back again, re-strategize, and start making more moves. You get? Start making more moves. Why chatting sef? On some website will tell you that will request that they buy you a drink. Some will request that they give you certain coins. You understand? So come on this particular website called Bamboo. A lot of people do not know it yet, so it is not yet extremely overcrowded. You understand? So you still have reasonable and amazing people. These are their success stories on this particular platform. Can you see this Oyinbo guy with this dark lady? See this dark guy with this Oyinbo lady? See these chocolate skinned people? There are people that met on this particular website. There are people that met on this particular website. So all you have to do is to click on this three button, and you can click on benefits and see what you have here. See their benefits. Yeah, these are their benefits in different places. Now these benefits are where you come for maybe equitable, like a healthy relationship. If you don't want, just come here to where it says open roles. Yes, come to where it says open roads, and you see a lot of available roles that you can, opt in, accept cookies. Now, these are jobs on Rumble. These are jobs on Bumble. Now, aside the chatting phase of Bumble, this is another phase you can use to make money. Just come to where it says roles or careers. Come to careers first. Under career, you click on open roles. Now, they have about 50 jobs that you can apply to on Bumble aside the chatting benefits. You have workplace technology engineer, you have advertising account executive, you have product manager, you have monetization platform design, you have back end engineer. Now please, I do say this: if you don't have a skill, go to mind luster straight away. Go and opt in for a skill. Go and start learning one skill or the other. Localization project, they have a whole lot. You can sign up on these jobs. You can click on these jobs and sign up from wherever you are. Do not take note of this their location thing. So after you have done that, you can now come back to the main platform itself and click on the main platform. If you do not have an account, click on create an account. Now, once you want to create an account, this is what you'll see. The password requirement is one of their major points. Now, you need to have a numeric character in your password. Then you have uppercase, that's alphabetical uppercase. Then you have the alphabetical character, something like art, ash, all those things. Special characters too are like art, ash, and all those things. Then your password must be a minimum of 8 characters. Then lower case, which is small letter A, small letter B, and all of that. So you get my point, you understand. All you need to do here is to input your email, input your password, you verify the password, and you click on this create account. Once you click on this create account, you begin to meet people. So I want to wish you good luck as you meet amazing helpers and amazing people who will be ready to spend money on you, ready to pay for your time and strength and all those things. With that being said, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. We love you so much. And if you have never joined our Telegram channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the link in the description box. Join it, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.